Hey everybody! Dawn here with Wreath, Decor by Dawn. I am doing the random picker for the live on YouTube today for the winner for the red border mesh and the tubing. So it wouldn't let us do it while we're live, so I am doing it now. All the names are in there, as you can see. The little wheels got everybody's name on it. I'm going to spin the wheel and we're going to get a winner. Okay, let me get you a little closer here. Ready, set, go. All right, Levon Brown, you are the winner. I will post the name under the live today for YouTube, and I will post it on Facebook as well. So congratulations, Levon Brown. Thank you so much for joining me today, and you are the winner of the mesh and the tubing. And if you will send me I will send you the information, but you can send me your information in a private message or in an email, and I will send that out to you the first of the week, okay? Thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.